If recovery feels like it suddenly stopped working after 30, you're not imagining it. A lot of men notice that soreness lasts longer, energy drops faster, and progress feels harder to maintain. And most people assume the problem is motivation or training intensity. It's not. Recovery doesn't stop working after 30, but the way it needs to be supported changes. The first shift is workload tolerance. In your 20s, you could recover from high volume and high intensity with minimal support. After 30, stress adds up faster. Training stress, work stress, sleep disruption, life responsibilities. All of that pulls from the same recovery pool. The second shift is protein demand. As we age, muscle protein breakdown increases. That means the same protein intake that used to work may no longer be enough. Without adequate protein, muscle repair slows and soreness lingers. The third shift is inflammation management. Inflammation isn't bad, but chronic inflammation interferes with recovery. Omega-3s, adequate sleep, and consistent training help keep inflammation in a productive range. Ignoring this doesn't make you tougher. It just makes recovery harder. The fourth shift is expectation. Training after 30 isn't about pushing harder every session. It's about stacking quality sessions that you can recover from. Recovery doesn't fail after 30. It becomes the limiting factor. Once recovery is supported properly, training starts to feel productive again. That's the difference most men miss. This channel focuses on evidence-based fitness and supplements for men over 30. No hype, just what actually works.